Hey, George here with Coatings by the Bay. I was wrapping up today and I got a question about what products we use for paint correction. The good news is I don't know of a single product that is like professionally limited like they do with ceramic coatings. So you can buy all of this if you're attempting your own paint correction. So for pads, we are Lake Country through and through, and everybody's got their own preference. We just started using Lake Country 3-4 years ago. We've never found a reason to switch. Plenty of great products on the market, but this is the orange pad. So if you're doing like a single step of correction before a polish to get some light swirl marks out, some marring, this is what you would use. We love Coach Chemi for the medium cut. They list this as a fine cut, but if you look down here, it's cut into a level 6 or 7. It's going to get a lot out, especially if you move slow. If you need more cutting than that, they do have like a purple product, a heavy cut, and then still Lake Country, we like the blue pad for it. Coach Chemi has great pads, so if you're over there just ordering their polishes and compounds, you can order their pads. Their pad system matches the color of the bottle, so you would use a yellow with the fine cut here. I believe purple is their heavier cut. Lake Country is a black pad. We just finished a polish on the car with this one, but the black pad's a finishing pad. We used Coach Chemi's finishing polish. Recently we switched to 3D just because we had a friend that was starting up as a distributor. 3D is a great product. The polishes, you're not aiming to do any correction, and the biggest thing you've got to look for is no fillers. As long as there's no fillers in it, alcohol, take it off the car, you're good to coat right after that, once you've done your little panel prep. So and then I guess for the buffer itself, we have a couple rupees floating around. If you're looking for this specific model, there you go. If you're just starting, you can go to AutoZone and get a Griot's Garage one, lifetime warranty. Years ago when we were just starting, we had a couple Griots floating around, and man, they honor their warranty in every way. Any single problem, they'll send you a new buffer. I mean, Griot's really was a great company to work with. It's just not something where it can take 2-3 cars a day getting paint correction. It just couldn't handle the abuse we were putting into it. Certainly there's a bit more power behind the rupees, which is one of the big ones on the market. Again, we just haven't found a reason to switch. There's other great products and equipment out there, but probably 3 years ago we settled into a combination that works on 99% of vehicles. We always have other stuff laying around just in case, because it's not perfect. Soft paint, Cadillac and some other brands, or really, really hard paint like Tesla. Sometimes you just got to use different stuff, or what would have been a one-step on like the Camaros I was working on yesterday, it might be a two-step just because the paint's so hard, which is a very good thing. If you have hard paint, it might be harder to get the scratches out, but it's also harder to put the scratches in. So one thing I want to finish on here, since I mentioned scratching, is remember, ceramic coating is not designed to stop that. If your installer is telling you, hey, this ceramic coating is amazing, it's scratch resistant, it's a sacrificial layer, all of that is just marketing hype. Ceramic coating is made to be high gloss, easy to clean, and protect you from UV and other environmental damage. And lumped in with that environmental damage is, the winter salt here in Wisconsin. It is an extremely rare case that you're going to rust from the outside in, so from on top of the paint in, but it will protect you from the salt that sits on your paint all winter. Bug guts, bird droppings, that type of stuff. It makes cleanup much, much easier, and it certainly gives you a better than new shine. So if you're looking for a ceramic coating in the Appleton, Green Bay, Kaukauna, De Pere, kind of anywhere right off 41 in that area, we are centered in Kaukauna, right off of 41 on the Frontage road. So you'll be less than 2 minutes off the highway and dropping off your car, and we will get you all squared away. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, you can text me anytime. Phone number is going to be 920-659-0023. Again, text me anytime. If you want to get a quote, just send me the make, model, year, and your name, and I can get something over to you. Have a great day.